What's up, everybody? Brady here with Crypto Now Known, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick little update on Bitcoin price chart and a possible trade that we could be seeing coming up in the near future. First, I want to dive into the market watch and just see what's going on with the price. Bitcoin is currently coming in at 31,639. Ethereum 1781. Wow, that's what a bloodbath for Ethereum. Same with Binance Coin coming in at 274. But Cardano has actually held its ground pretty good throughout this, I must say. Okay, so that's what the current prices are at the moment, guys. So let's dive right into the charts here. So since about the 20th of June, we've been going into this descending wedge. And we all know the descending wedge is obviously a bullish pattern. We had this huge drop here, and we had this massive dip back on the 22nd down all the way to 28,000, I think it was, but pulled right back. We came up here and we started forming this really nice descending wedge. We came up here and we broke this resistance level, and it looked like it was going to be a fake out for a bullish breakout. So I did put a trade in, and unfortunately we did get stopped out at our stop loss, but we've seen an ascending wedge form, just a nice small one. And after we broke the neckline, we actually placed a trade on this little tiny green bar here right before this big momentum push. And we rode that all the way down to here. We took about 25% of our profits. We've seen these. I thought it was going to keep going down. Came down to here. After it pulled back up, we closed our position right around here. The reason why we closed our position, if I bring up the RSI here, we're showing major bullish divergence. So that's enough for me to be able to feel confident enough to close the trade there. I mean, we're not making lower lows and lower highs anymore. We're starting to see a turnaround. Well, yeah, we're still seeing low lows and lower highs, but we're starting to struggle out here, and we're starting to see a turnaround to the upside here. We are in this descending wedge, and then with the bullish divergence on the RSI, that's enough for me to close it. We have been in this descending wedge a lot longer. There's a lot more divergence on the RSI. There's not much volume coming in, so I just don't see the potential break. If we looked at the potential target, it'll bring us all the way down to about $26,000, and I just don't think there's enough volume or bears to step in to push it down. And then obviously the bulls are now stepping in, which is making it seem like this descending wedge might possibly be the breakout. So what I'm looking at here, and what I'm really paying attention for here, is this line right here, going across this line at approximately $32,367. This is going to be key resistance level. If we could have a good, nice momentum bar push up and close solid above this, I feel confident that we'll have another little pump up to the top here. And if we do, it would be almost 7% gain up to 34,644 approximately. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Yeah, so that's what I'm seeing. This is what I'm looking for. I'm going to be looking for a long position here. I'll be entering it if we get a nice, good green bar close above this resistance level. If we can break this resistance level with this bullish divergence in the volume coming in, I have a good feeling that we'll be able to do a little bit of a bullish push up here, which is what I'm looking for as my potential next trade. I would always put a stop loss in because there's always a potential that it is just going to be a fake out and we continue the downtrend that we're in and we just end up coming back down and do something like that. But I don't think that's happening, because if we do that, It's going to be a huge price target. Oh. And I just don't see that happening. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for the next one as a potential long. If we break this resistance level with a nice, good, confirmed close above this resistance level. If we do, I'll be entering into a long position. And if I do, I'll keep you guys updated as the position progresses. That's all I got for now. Thanks, you guys. Have a good day.